Okay, so number 5 here, we want to find the slope by graphing the points first. Remember, this is your x and your y. So 0, we stay 0 and we go down 3. First point. Second point, x, y. So we go right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is my line. Remember, slope is rise over run, which is the change of the y over the x. So I'm going to go from this point, I go up, 2, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is it's a negative 2/5. Now, class, you can also tell by looking at the line whether it's positive or negative by looking at the point farthest to the left and following it. It's going down. So I know that's a negative slope before I even calculate the slope there. Okay, we're going to look at some lines and find out what the slope is here, okay? So, we have this vertical line. Here's 1 point and here's 1 point. So slope is rise over run. So from this point to this point, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then do we go left or right any? We do not. Okay? Can you take 6 and divide by 0 on your calculator? You can't do it. When you do that, you're going to get an error. So anytime you have a vertical line, it doesn't matter where it is on the graph, your slope is undefined. You cannot tell what that slope is. Any vertical line. Okay, let's look at this horizontal line. Remember, slope is rise over run. Okay, so let's go from this point to this point. Do I go up or down any? I do not, so I don't rise. But how many do I go over? I went over, let's see, each tick line is representing 2 here. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 0 divided by 12 is 0. So any horizontal line, it doesn't matter where it is on your coordinate plane, it's going to be 0. There's no steepness to that line, so it's 0. Okay, so as shown before, we can have a positive, we can have a negative, we can have 0, or we can have undefined to represent our slope. Okay? So, from left to right, left to right. Starts left, follow the line, it goes up. That is a positive slope. If you need to, draw a person. Person's going uphill. Steepness of that is going to be positive. Left to right. Person's up here, left to right. Person's going down. So this is a negative slope. This is a horizontal line. It doesn't matter where the horizontal line. Slope is 0. This is a vertical line, undefined. Okay, now we're just going to look at some and tell you whether they're positive, negative, 0, or undefined. So from left to right, I'm going up, positive. From left to right, I'm going down a little bit, so it's negative. And when we compare slope, and we'll get into this a little bit more later, but if you notice, the steepness of this blue line is steeper than the red line. So you know the slope is going to be steeper. So the slope of the blue line is greater than the slope of the red line. That's all this is saying. So this line is steeper than the red one. Take the absolute value, of course, so you can compare. So 2 is going to be greater than 1, so the blue line is steeper than the red line. And that's it for today, guys. Have a good one.